All right, it's New Year's Day, 2021. A lot of my videos, everything I've recorded, kind of went missing, so I haven't danced up in the last while. So I'm going to start doing small videos on the jobs I'm doing. They'll probably come out a bit random. This is door on Volkswagen Crafter. The back, I'm doing all 5 doors, 2 back doors, side door, and driver and passenger, just corners. These were gone here all together, and I replaced the front. I'm just going to do a video on doing a patchwork. This is all rusted out here. I'll flip it over and show you. This whole door had a tiny bit of, I knew there was a rust there when I came. I knew there was a bit of body filler there. When I came to it, there was about 6 mil through the whole lot. There was a tiny dent here. There's a big dent there that they just filled in and let rust. So I was watching a guy doing, normally what I do is cut out the panel, both weld it up and fit it that way. And the way that most people do it. I was watching a guy in Newfoundland where he cut a patch out, MIG welded it, overlapping this, and then just got the grinding disc and cut down beside it, and then leveled it out that way to make it flush. So I'm going to give that a go now and see is it any quicker. He said it's very good on big panels like this so you don't get warpage. I'm going to skip that bit. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to try maybe just slit that across, pull everything up flat, because that steel is stretched. I won't be able to bring that back unless I shrink it, and I don't have a shrinking hammer. So I'm just going to cut that and I'm trying to bring it up. I'm going to try that new way of doing it on here and see how it goes. This door should have been replaced really, but I didn't know this was all round. I just thought it was that patch there. These are just new panels that I put in. Just bought new panels for the bottom, the doors. Oh, that one's alright actually, it's only that corner. That other one was totally gone. That was the outside of it. That was the inside of it. Totally gone. It's going to be a ladder. This door is it's all wavy. There's a ladder going on this, and it's going on a camper van for my sister, and I'm sure she's going to dent the back door. So I don't mind about the waves. I just want to get all the body filler out of there. I'm going to put a skim over it, and then once I hit a couple of high spots, when I'm sanding it down, I'm just going to leave it, try and get it as good as I can. Yeah, I'm going to cut this out and I'm going to put it on time lapse and put some tunes on and see how this goes. That's that panel in there. I didn't cut time on that time lapse. I left it recording the whole time, so I don't know how long that took. It didn't take long. I'm sure lots of people do it that way. All I have to do is pull out that piece in the back. The small little frame left there that I need to pull out. But that is a quick way of doing it, and I was rushing it a bit there now, but that is perfectly level all the way around. That brace in at the back that comes along here, that's in the other side of the door, that was kind of holding me up there. I kept going wrong, and there's a bit of anti-rattle. What's that sticker that's on the back here? It's going to fire, but that's perfectly smooth there. I'm going to weld that up with TIG. It's a lot easier. I was welding with TIG everything, and then I went back to MIG just to see the difference. And it takes me so long to weld down the MIG welds, and I don't know how far through they've gone compared to when I do the TIG weld. I can get this near enough flush here, and the high spot on the weld isn't at the back, so it's gone all the way through. Just get a better weld, and I can bend the weld. Like these MIG welds, they don't bend. If I try and bend it, it'll bend the steel. Compared to the TIG welding, I can kind of planch it out and bend the actual weld just to even it up. There's a small bit of a high spot here, but there's a low spot there, so hopefully that'll knock it out. This was gone all wrong here, I don't know why, but I popped this little dent out here and I popped it up level again, so I'll work a bit more on that, but I'm not going to worry about that because it's too much time being spent on this door. So I'll just do that one next. As I said, it's New Year's Day. I'm going to go, it's time for beer. Come out tomorrow and I'll weld that. I'm going to post this video. I started my channel just to do that recovery body, and I'm just going to, if anyone wants to see any videos like this kind of other shit, let me know. There's a small little bow in this. Perfect. That steel, that commercial steel, is way thicker than the that's Volkswagen Crafter wall or cut out for a window. It's really good steel to hold on to for making up panels. Alright, I'm gonna leave that there. Like and subscribe if you like that video. Hopefully there's enough there to put a video out, and talk to you later.